Yo, I got you on the piss.
Oh, you're not gonna eat dog shit?
I pissed in the bottle earlier. I might take a bite of the dog shit.
That does look like it's piss, guys. That does look like it's piss.
Like, I wish I could prove this. It's really piss.
All right, make sure you put it to your mouth, though, like this. So we can all see it.
And
that's pee, bro. That's definitely
it's really dog shit, though.
Yo, wait, record, motherfuckers, record.
Okay. So, this better get me,
that shit is not fake, bro. That shit look real as fuck. Can y'all record? Can y'all record right now?
I'll take a bite out of it, John.
Wait, hold on. You gotta put it to your mouth.
Oh. I will. Hold on. That really was piss, though.
He was casually seeing in a bottle. He was like, Ego, add me. I'm ready.
That's really shit. Like, we are not lying out here.
Record.
I'm taking a bite. I am not eating that. Fuck that.
All right, just take a bite.
So what do I get if
go
I
to the
win this?
camera like this.
I got you. Okay, do I really? I can't cap. I already said I'd do it. I already said I'd do it. Shit.
Do it, nigga. Don't even think. No way!
Oh, I got it.
You really did it! Yo! You really ate dog shit.
Oh, God, I actually did that, John, bro.
Yo!
Hey, where's that? I'm gonna have to
I think we got a winner, ladies and gentlemen. I think we got a winner. He
Don't make me
it
prove
like it was a goddamn vodka shot. He went.
We ain't capping up.
He's telling y'all motherfuckers recorded.
Oh, I got this shit on screen record. I got myself doing it.
That was definitely dog shit, bro. Did you see that shit? Are you kidding me?
That's dog shit, bro.
That's dog shit. You should eat another one.
I bet.
Oh, shit. I bet.
We got you. Okay, so what do I get on this? What do I get on this one?
I'll shout you out of my next song if you for real.
Plus the $30?
Yeah.
I'm out here. Oh, God. We actually did that, Joe. Oh,
Yo, I'm done. I'm done.
Hey, now, which one of y'all shot these trying to fuck?
Oh, my God. Dog shit, bro.
Do I need more fruit?
Yo, I think he won, bro. He ate 2 dog shits. Oh, they're in his sink. There's just he putting it with his teeth, buddies.
Yo, I wish I could show you proof, but
Yo, I believe you, bro.
I took shit on my roof before.
You took a shit on your what?
My roof? I wish I had a picture of it.
Why did you do that?
Cause I ain't a bitch out here, bro.
You just did it just cause you felt like it?
Hell yeah, bro. I said, fuck it, I'll take a shit on that, John. No, yesterday.
Yo, I think he won, bro.
You know how you said won. Now, what you get in trouble in school for? Because you said you were getting into trouble.
Oh, yeah, bro, just fights, drugs, just a whole lot of gang shit.
Bro, I'm only in 9th grade out in this bitch, but last year I got suspended for having Xans and slapping in the ass.
You got suspended for what?
Okay, I had 4 bars. Actually, shit, I have 4 bars like you.
Yeah, you said I had 4 bars like you. Don't do no bars, bro. Trust me,
Kill
will ruin your life.
Kill is out here actually not saying I didn't eat that shit.
No, but for real though, don't be doing that shit though, because bars will ruin your life, bro.
Kill, don't make me do it again.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Okay, I can't do it, but I kind of did it. But like, we done on that dog shit. We done on that one. We done on that, John. It is really out here.
We really out here.
No. The only thing I request is that follow.
I think you won. Unless someone does
All I
some
request
insanely
is
crazy
follow.
shit, bro. You won.
Yeah, all I need is a follow and a shout out.
Alright, bet.
$30. If you're really about the $30, I'll take it though, cause I need a cut.
Alright. Gang.